Hey guys, this is the brand new tutorial for machine learning library called Pandas, and for on these things I'm going to teach you the basics to the advanced of the Pandas library. This is the official website for Pandas. You can go through this for the documentation things, and I'm going to use the environment called the Jupyter Notebook. For that you have to install the Anaconda. You have to go through this link and click this one, the individual edition, and you can get downloaded on your PC. So Pandas is a data analysis and a data manipulation tool. It's widely used in a data science and a machine learning to get the data set and observe the data set, so it can be processed and clean the data, and so we can create a model on the data set. So let's try to get started. This is the data set I'm going to use right now. On the basics, I'm going to import Pandas as a PD. To install the Pandas in your environment, you have to enter exclamatory pip install pandas, and as you see right now, it's been already installed in my environment, so you're seeing an error requirement already satisfied. So let's go through the dataset, and these are the dataset files. I'm not going to use all the files right now. I'm going to use this very first one. It's called sales underscore April underscore 2019. I'm going to name the variable called sales underscore April. Okay, so to read the dataset, there is a various amount of functions in the Pandas. To view that, I'm gonna get to that link actually. The docs or user guide. You can go through this link. There is various amount of functions in the Pandas to read the data files. I'm gonna use a CSV file right now. So for that, you have to enter pd dot, because I already called a Pandas as a PD, so pd dot read. After I typed some words, you can enter tab to auto complete it. So you can see what all the functions start with re. I'm going to use read CSV. The file name I'm going to provide is sales underscore April underscore 2019. For that, I'm going to enter tab, so it will help me for an auto completion. So let me import this dataset. It has been saved in sales underscore April. What the Pandas done, it converts the dataset file into a data frame. So let's see right now. To view the to view the type, you can enter sales underscore April. Did you see here? The Pandas has converted it into a data frame, so it can be processed very easily. To view and observe the dataset, let's start with describe. Sales underscore April dot describe, and I'm gonna auto complete it. So let me shift enter. As you see right here, it has spit out some datas, and describe is mostly used for numerical data, like it shows you the math statical and the tendency of the dataset. And this is not a numerical dataset, it's a categorical dataset. So it shows some count, unique, top, and frequency, and you can see all the columns, what all the columns available in this dataset. To view the dataset, there is two kinds of function to call, as in a head and a tail. Head is used to call first 5 rows of the dataset. So as you see right here, it's called first 5 rows. To view the tail, it will display with you the last 5 rows of the dataset. And there is some more functions to explain you that one is sales underscore April dot info. It's a very useful thing. You can get like in a column what all the column names, and how many total number of rows, and is there any null data available in this, or else and it even shows what kind of a data type it has been stored in that. Okay, as you see right here, the ordered quantity is mostly with numerical. Yeah, it's ordered quantity ordered is mostly with the numerical, but it's still been showing as an object, so we have to work on these things. And I'm going to tell you about auto completion. It will be very useful for you guys to learn this. To get the auto completion, you have to enter shift tab for 4 times. 1 2 3 4. The first time it's going to show for some seconds, and the second time it will extend the seconds to some more seconds to view the infos, and third time as well as the fourth time it will open as in a pop-up, separate pop-up, so it will be very easily to understand for you. I'll provide the dataset and the links for these things in the description, so please go through it. What you guys have to do is practice, so the practice makes you perfect, so please try to practice or else you can't able to understand anything. What I'm trying to do here is very short and easy tutorial, so you can observe it very easily. I'm trying to do is in a very short period, like most of the videos won't be extended like 10 to 15 minutes. I try to finish within a 10 to 15 minutes. It will be very easy to understand for you guys. So let's see in next tutorial. Bye, see you guys.